First section, logical reasoning. First question, the given clocks show the time at which Rina went to play and came back home. For how much time did she play? This is the clock one. Time is shown as 4:15. Clock 2 is shown as 6:45. So, method 1 to solve this problem is 4:15 to 5:15 is equal to 1 hour. 5:15 to 6:15 is equal to 1 hour. 6:15 to 6:45 is equal to 30 minutes. So we have to add 1 plus 1, 2 hours. 30 minutes is the right answer. Option Option C is the right answer, children. Method 2 to solve this problem is 6:45 can be written as like this. 4:15 can be written like this. We need to subtract. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 2 hours 30 minutes. Option C is the right answer, children. Second question. Which of the following words cannot be formed from the letters of the given word? So this is the given word. In this word, how many letters are there? I, M, E, D, A, T. So 6 letters are there. So by using these letters, the words can be formed. Admit can be formed. Media can be formed. Made can be formed. But cannot form melt because L is not present in the given word. So option B is the right answer, children. Third question. Which of the following objects has two circular faces and one rectangular face? Option A is having rectangular face. Option B is having cone shape. Option C is having an oval shape. Option D is having one rectangular face and two circular faces. So option D is the right answer, children. Fourth question. Find the missing number if same rule is followed in all the three figures. So here in figure 1, some rule is applied. So what is that rule? Let's check. This is figure 1, figure 2 and figure 3. 6 plus 16 cannot be 96. So 6 into 16 can be 96. 6 into 16 is equal to 96. Here 5 into 13 is equal to 65. 13 into how much is equal to 91, children? 13 into 7 is equal to 91. So option C is the right answer, children. Fifth question. In which of the following options the given figure is exactly embedded as one of its parts? So this is the given part. It must be embedded in the given figure, which is exactly embedded. So in this it will not fit. In this also it will not fit. In this figure, yeah, exactly it fits. So option C is the right answer, children. Sixth question. If all ovals are removed from the given arrangement, then dash is fourth from the left end. This is the left end and this is the right end. Let's remove the ovals A, E, U, I. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is fourth from the left end. Option B is the right answer, children. Seventh question. Select the odd one out. So figure A is having few parts are filled with colors blue and yellow. In the same way, B, C and D also filled with blue and yellow colors. So let's count how many parts are filled with blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 yellows. So in second figure also 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 blues. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 yellows. Option C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 blues, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 yellows. Option D, 1, 2, 3, 4 blues, 1, 2, 3, 3 yellows. So option D is the odd one. Option D is the right answer, children. Eighth question. Select the correct mirror image of the given figure. So this is the given figure. So mirror image is nothing but left becomes right, right becomes left, but not top to bottom, bottom to top will not be the correct. So always remember the given figure is left, so we have to find out the mirror image of right side. So think this is the right image. So where it is? So option C is the right answer, children. In ninth question, if earth means cloud, cloud means sun, sun means moon, then dash gives us rain. So clouds gives us rain. Ninth question, if earth means cloud, cloud means sun, and sun means moon, then dash gives us rain. So which gives us rain, children? Cloud gives us rain. So here cloud means sun. So option C is the right answer. 10th question, how many groups of 6 telescopes each can be formed from the given telescopes? So here it is given like one group is equal to 6 telescopes can be formed. So we are supposed to find out how many such groups are formed from the given telescopes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the first group. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the second group. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the third group. So how many total groups are formed, children? Total 3 groups are formed. Option A is the right answer, children. Second section, mathematical reasoning. 11th question, compare and fill the box using greater than, less than or equal to. Place value of digit 4 in 9482 is. After 4, we need to put 2 zeros. We have here 2 digits, so put 2 zeros, 400. Place value of digit 8000 place in 90,574. Here place is 0, so 0, 0, 0 is nothing but 0. So 400 is greater than 0. So option B is the right answer, children. So 12th question, bucket is equal to jug plus jug plus jug, and 1 jug is equal to 2 liters. Then what is the capacity of bucket? Here the capacity of jug is given as 2 liters. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 liters. So the bucket capacity is 6 liters. So option C is the right answer, children. 13th question, the unshaded fraction of the given figure is dash. So let me count the full shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 into 2 is equal to 22 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 of shaded parts are there. So this is equal to 32. So denominator fraction is 32. So denominator is equal to 32. Let's find out the numerator. Numerator is equal to, this is full. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So numerator is equal to 19. So 19 by 32, option D is the right answer, children. 14th question, which of the following sets has equal amount of money? 10. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 into 5 is equal to 50 plus how many 5 rupees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 rupees coins are 4. So 50 plus 20 is equal to 70. 10 plus 50 is 60. 60 plus 5, 65. 65 plus 5 is 70. 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. So R is equal to 50. So this is 70, this is 70. P and Q are having same amount. So option A is the right answer. Directions 15 to 16. The given pictograph shows the number of envelopes made by a group of 5 friends during summer vacation. Study the given graph carefully and answer the following questions. Names are given. Number of envelopes are made. So Varun has how many envelopes made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Varun has made 7 envelopes. Sneha has made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Preeti has made 1, 2, 3, 4. Ruhi has made 5. Mano has made 3. So 15th question, who made maximum and minimum number of envelopes respectively? So Varun has maximum envelopes made and Mano has made minimum number of envelopes. So Varun and Mano is the right answer. So 16th question, find the total cost of all the envelopes made if the cost of one envelope is 5 rupees. So here each envelope stands for 25 envelopes and one envelope stands for 5 rupees. Total cost we are supposed to find. First let's add all these. 7 plus 6 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 4 17, 17 plus 5 22, 22 plus 3 25. So one envelope stands for 25 envelopes. So 25 into 25 is 625. So each envelope cost is 5 rupees. So let's multiply these two. 5 5 is 25, 2 carry, 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 1 carry, 5 6 is 30, 30 plus 1 is 31. So 3125 rupees. Option A is the right answer, children. 18th question. If x is the remainder obtained on dividing 560 by 8 and y is the sum of 520 and 8, then value of x into y is dash. So 560 is the dividend and 8 is the divisor. So let's divide. So 7 8s are 56. So 8 7s are 56. 8 zeros are 0. Subtract these two numbers. 0 minus 0 0, 6 minus 6 0, 5 minus 5 0. So we got the remainder as 0. So x equal to 0. Let's find out the y. 520 plus 8 is equal to 0 plus 8 is 8. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 0 is 5. So y we got as 528. X into y is equal to 0 into 528 is equal to 0. 0 into something will always be 0. So option C, 0 is the right answer, children. 19th question. The difference between the heights of Karthik and Smriti is dash. So let's find out the Karthik's height. This is Karthik. Karthik's height is 100. Smriti height is 80. So 100 minus 80 is equal to 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 8 will not go. So it becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. So 20 centimeters. Option A is the right answer. 20th question. 48 divided by a happy face is given. Sad face. If happy is an even number and sad face is also an even number, then what could not be these two numbers? So it is clearly given that a smile face is even number, and a sad face is also an even number. So let's check with the options. Option A is having two even numbers. Option B is having one odd number, one even number. So option B is the right answer, children.